We all know that fruits are good for us, but did you know that some fruits have the power to turn back the clock on aging? Today, we're diving into something juicy, delicious, and incredibly beneficial for your health. Before we get started, I have a question for you. Do you want to look and feel younger, more vibrant, and full of energy? If you said yes, then you're in the right place. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for a healthy lifestyle. Raisins, tiny fruits with big benefits. Despite their small size, raisins are nutritional powerhouses with numerous health benefits. Digestive health, rich in dietary fiber, raisins help maintain regular bowel movements, preventing constipation, and promoting gut health. Aim to include 3-4 tablespoons of raisins in your daily diet. Soaking them in water or lightly cooking them enhances their nutrient absorption. Mental well-being, high in antioxidants and phytochemicals. Raisins combat oxidative stress, supporting cognitive function and potentially preventing age-related cognitive decline. Heart health. Raisins contain potassium and dietary fiber, which help regulate blood pressure and lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Bone health. They are a source of boron, essential for maintaining bone density and preventing age-related bone disorders like osteoporosis. Iron intake. Raisins are a good source of iron, helping to manage and prevent iron deficiency anemia. Lemons. Vibrant and vitalizing. Lemons are a powerhouse of health benefits, especially for those over 50. Blood pressure regulation. Regular consumption of lemon juice helps regulate blood pressure, crucial for cardiovascular health. Immune boosting. Rich in vitamin C, lemons bolster the immune system, helping to ward off illnesses and infections. Digestive aid. The natural acids and enzymes in lemon juice aid digestion and enhance nutrient absorption. Weight management. Lemons contain pectin, a soluble fiber that helps regulate appetite and promote feelings of fullness, supporting weight management efforts. Antioxidant prowess. Laden with flavonoids and vitamin C, lemons combat oxidative stress, slowing down aging and reducing the risk of chronic ailments. Papaya, the fruit of angels. Papaya offers a range of benefits tailored to the needs of aging bodies. Digestive support. Papaya contains the enzyme papain, which aids in breaking down proteins and improving digestion. It's also high in dietary fiber, promoting regular bowel movements. Nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin E, potassium, and folate. Papaya supports various aspects of health from skin and eye health to cardiovascular and immune system functioning. Ocular health. Carotenoids in papaya transform into vitamin A, crucial for maintaining visual acuity and preventing age-related macular degeneration. Immune system fortification. Rich in vitamin C and carotenoids, papaya strengthens the immune system, reducing the risk of infections and illnesses. Combating oxidative stress. Abundant in antioxidants, papaya protects cells from oxidative damage, supporting overall health and contributing to longevity. Avocados, creamy and nutritious. Avocados are a fantastic addition to your anti-aging diet, offering numerous benefits. Heart health, rich in monounsaturated fats, avocados help reduce bad cholesterol levels and lower the risk of heart disease. They also contain potassium, which helps maintain healthy blood pressure. Skin health. Packed with vitamins E and C, avocados support skin health by promoting collagen production and protecting against oxidative damage, keeping your skin smooth and youthful. Brain function. High in healthy fats and antioxidants, avocados support cognitive function and may help protect against age-related cognitive decline. Nutrient absorption. Avocados enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins from other foods, maximizing the nutritional benefits of your diet. Anti-inflammatory properties. The antioxidants and phytochemicals in avocados help reduce inflammation, supporting overall health and well-being. Conclusion. A quartet of nutritional powerhouses, combining the benefits of raisins, lemons, papaya, and avocados, can significantly enhance your overall health and well-being. Raisins support digestive health, cognitive function, heart health, and bone strength. Lemons help manage blood pressure, boost immunity, aid digestion, and support weight management. Papaya offers powerful antioxidant properties, digestive support, and immune system fortification. Avocados promote heart health, support skin and brain function, enhance nutrient absorption, and reduce inflammation. By incorporating these fruits into your daily diet, you can take proactive steps towards improving your health and vitality. Add a handful of raisins to your breakfast cereal, a squeeze of lemon to your water, enjoy a serving of fresh papaya, and include creamy avocado in your salads or smoothies to reap the rewards of these nutritious gems. Remember, feeling youthful is more than skin deep. It encompasses a profound sense of vitality across all aspects of life.